Good morning everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Nivedita Rawat Mukherjee and I am a member of Shamta Ramakrishna Vivekananda Welfare Society. I am honored to get the rare opportunity of speaking to you about Subhash Chandra Bose. My speech is a special occasion speech and we are here to commemorate this day. The government announces this day as Parakram Divas or the Day of Valor. This is the 125th birth anniversary year of Subhash Chandra Bose, the legendary freedom fighter, popularly known as Netaji. We celebrate this day to honor his contribution to India's struggle for independence. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd of January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father Janakinath Bose was a famous lawyer and his mother Prabhavati Devi was a pious and religious lady. Subhash Chandra Bose was the 9th child among the 14 siblings. He was a brilliant student right from the childhood. He was strongly influenced by Swami Vivekananda's teachings and also believed that the Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the struggle against the British. He considered Swamiji as his spiritual teacher. He called Swami Vivekananda as a full-blooded masculine personality and a fighter to the core of being. He told, under the sacred influence of Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda, his life got awakened. He raised the first Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj, in 1943 and started an army coup and inspired thousands of Indian youth to join the struggle for independence from the British colonial rule. He was the first leader in the world to give weapons to women to fight for the country. His famous slogans are Jai Hind, Delhi Chalo, तुम मुझे खून दो और मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Few lessons we learn from his life are tolerance and cooperation. He said, remember that the greatest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law you would like to give if you want to urge. Hard work and functionalism. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. His speech in Burma to the members of the Indian National Army touched the Indian heart. Let me tell you some interesting facts about Netaji. He liked Bengali cuisine. His food consisted of dal, bhat, puri, doi, kola. He liked khichuri, bhate bhat and moong dal, yes, like us. He liked sweets like rasgulla, chom chom, piche puri and shondesh. He was not choosy or demanding about what he ate and never had any fixed hours for his meals. He survived mostly on tea and water mixed with lime juice. His favorite sport was table tennis. Certainly, substantial progress has been achieved on all fronts during these decades. But much more needs to be done. Pockets of poverty, illiteracy, inequality, poor infrastructure, poor sanitation and social evils continue to haunt us. Following the footprints of these living legends, we as an organization are continuously trying to empower the people of our area through education, health and other basic needs. On the 125th birth anniversary of this legendary patriot, I bow my head to the great soul. Thank you and Jai Hind.